अक्षय का बायो है, इफ यू आर विलिंग अक्षय का बायो है, इफ यू आर विलिंग टू पे 1 crore एज डाउरी प्लीज DM और एल्स स्टे अवे, जैन प्रेफरेबल. अक्षय शिव सागर नहीं है. क्या क्या लिखा है लोगों ने, मैंने एकदम पढ़ी. याया सबको शादी करनी चाहिए भाई. सिंगल लोग बहुत आरामी होते हैं भाई, कुछ भी बोलते हैं.
या आई नो. कुछ भी बोलते, करेक्ट है.
सो हमने क्या किया था, बेसिकली सबको चिट्स दिए एंड देयर फ्रेंड्स रोट फॉर देम. These are the chits.
Correct.
We're going to read them. These are your dating profiles. Before that, I want to ask you if you have ever been online dating platforms. You have?
Yeah.
No, I tried online dating, man. Just like these guys, like how you guys became friends. I ended up going on a lot of Bumble dates, just making a lot of friends. Like honestly, hanging out with them, becoming friends with their friends, then dating their friends, but never. I never dated anyone I met on Bumble. So it's like that. What about you?
Dude, so I was for a small time I was on Hinge. He got me on Hinge basically.
I didn't.
And so I was talking to this girl. ठीक है, और सब कुछ बढ़िया जा रहा है. एंड इट्स वन ऑफ दोज कॉन्वर्सेशन जहाँ पे दूसरे डेट के ऊपर दूसरे कॉन्वर्सेशन में लाइक वो लेट्स मीट अप एंड एवरीथिंग. और फिर क्या हुआ ना कि उसके मैसेजेस आने बंद हो गए. ठीक है, तो नो इट वाज नॉट अ घोस्टिंग मोमेंट आल्सो, बिकॉज मेरे मैसेज भी उस तक नहीं पहुंच रहे. इट्स जस्ट अटक गया है वो मैसेज.
तो क्या इंडियन पोस्ट से टेक्स्ट कर रहा था?
नो तो आई विल कम टू दैट. सो क्या हुआ ना, देन आई बिलीव इन दिस होल थिंग कि आपको ऊपर वाला इशारे देता है. ठीक है, तो मैं कहा ओ गॉड इज लाइक गेट ऑफ दिस, जस्ट गेट ऑफ डेटिंग एप्स. तो मैंने हिंज डिलीट कर दिया, अकाउंट डिलीट कर दिया.
And the next month you got married.
No. And then Simar comes up to me and I told him this whole story and Simar is like, हाँ हिंज पे ये टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम्स होती रहती है, नया ऐप है ना. And I was like, oh, it's not an ishara, it's a technical glitch.
Are you guys also dating, the two of you? Yeah? Married? Dude, you guys... अरे बैठ जा.
Bro, when I was asking how many, you'd never like, you're like, well, not part of the question. You're asking who's dating. We are not.
Open marriage वाला scene है क्या है? अरे यार बैठ जा. How long?
It's been 3 months.
Oh, that recent.
Wow, 5 months. We should become like couple partners. Looking for those.
That's so weird. Couple partners.
You know this concept. आप जब शादी कर लेते हो ना, you want to find more couples who are married, so that आप group में बोर हो सकते हो. That is.
I'm gonna start with these.
Okay. Name is BB.
Nice. Bhuvan Baba, what? No.
Bio is overthinker who likes to talk a lot. So be ready to listen.
तूने लिखा है.
It's weird that we have the mics and that person is listening. Interest talking a lot.
No. Interest
Talking and lots of talking. The thing I am most proud of talking. My knowledge about anything.
मोदी जी ने लिखा है क्या? What the fuck? Who is BB?
I would just like to disappear in this. You have knowledge about anything.
I haven't written it.
I know, but she assumes you do, right? इतना क्या knowledgeable है
So
भाई?
wait, you are saying he talks a lot, and his interests are also talking a lot, and he's very knowledgeable.
He thinks he is.
He thinks.
How long have you guys been friends?
6 months.
कितना बोला 6 महीने में?
6 महीने में you realize he's an overthinker who likes to talk a lot. How did you know he's an overthinker?
Because he overanalyzes everything.
Do you have an example, like?
Yeah.
When
If he asks me, are you okay? I say, yes, I am. And he'd be like, no, you are not.
तू जानती नहीं है, तू ठीक नहीं है. So basically, mom.
No, he sounds like my therapist, bro. Next भाई ये वाला दृश्य. Interest, food, flights, fun, fucks. What? Food, flights, fun, fuck ups.
She just like, well, F से और क्या आता है?
आपने तो कविता लिख दिया. The thing
There is fly.
yeah, food,
Flight.
flights, fun, fuck ups. But the thing I'm most proud of, breaking up at the right time.
Whoa!
Drisha.
Like that itself is that one of those skill sets. You're like right swipe. When you break up, I know it's the right time. Keshav. So how this goes is I say the name and then so we know who we're talking about. Like we need an image.
Please
So,
identify
Keshav.
yourself. Keshav?
Oh, so someone just came and wrote about a random friend. And now they take this clip and show to Keshav. Keshav, this is your buying data, okay? Bumble पे update करो. Okay, bio is your guy next door. Oh, so he's next door. Occupation engineer, interest is you.
भाई तेरे से बात तो नहीं करता केशव.
Hey Keshav. The thing I am most proud of, my sense of humor.
Nice.
किसने लिखा है ये? Who is such a big fan of Keshav is my point now.
No Keshav, nobody wants to claim this shit.
No one wants to own up to it. It's just like मुझे एक चिट मिली मैंने बकचोदी की.
Dude, what if Keshav is a fictional figure? Like he's a figment of our imagination.
Like your last girlfriend. So Jay, Pakpa ki pari at home.
Jay?
Pak-
Bro? गान मारो भाई बैठ.
पापा की परी at home and उड़ता परिंदा outside. CA एक अटेम्प्ट में हो गया.
Seriously? Bro? Fuck. Jay needs a video, bro. Come on. अक्षय का बायो है. If you are willing, oh bench. अक्षय का बायो है. If you are willing to pay 1 crore as dowry, please DM. Or else stay away. Jain preferable. अक्षय शिव सागर नहीं है. Who wrote it?
I know their choice.
You know their choice. His choice is 1 crore dowry.
अरे वो राजस्थान से है bro.
SG. If it's meant to be, it will. ये क्या है? ये क्या प्रेशर है? सामने वाले पे ही प्रेशर डाल दो. I am waiting for it's meant to be. तू नहीं कर पाया तेरी गलती. The thing I am most proud of living alone. SG किधर है? Fabulous.
And he wrote it because he wants to change the fact that she's living alone. And it's meant. They know it, bro. I believe everything they say, bro. सात फेरे, come on.
भाई तुम लोग जो उनकी मैच करा रहे हो ना भाई मजा ही आ गया देखकर.